guys, so today I have got September's Fright Crate box to show you. I didn't actually think that I'd ordered this one. I thought I'd missed out September's and got October's, but it's arrived, so apparently I did order it, unless I didn't get August's, maybe. I don't really remember. This month has been a mush in my brain. So anyway, this is September's box. So the themes for this month were 13 Ghosts, It 2, the newest one, Stranger Things and Saw. I'm pretty sure I have ordered the next one because that's like Halloween and Psycho and stuff, so that sounds like one that I would want. But yeah, let's get into it. So our t-shirt this month is the It 2 item, and I think it's probably my favourite t-shirt that we've got from them. So this is what it looks like. It says the classic losers lovers thing at the top, and then it's got Pennywise with his balloon and some of the new cast up there in the balloon on a black top. I got this in a medium because I don't know, I just kind of wanted some baggier t-shirts. I keep getting them in smalls and they're all quite tight, so thought I'd get this a little bigger. But yeah, I think probably my favourite one that we've gotten from a Fright Crate box. So that is our t-shirt. Next we have our pin, which is the Saw item. It says Kramer up at the top. I'm actually meeting him today, which is really weird. He's in Manchester for the Love of Horror convention, so that's where I'm going now to go get his autograph, so that's really cool. But yeah, that's a pretty cool detailed pin with 2 on the back so it doesn't spin. Next we have a random Blu-ray. So there was a lot of different options you could get. This one is called Howl, which looks like it's about werewolves. I've not watched this before. You could have got Devil's Candy, Cabin Fever, The Hallow, 13 13 13, Silent House, The Howl, etc. it says. So although it does say The Howl, is that what this is called? Looks like it's just called Howl to me, but yeah, so I guess I'll give that a go sometime. It says, on a stormy night, passengers on the last train out of London begin to panic after coming to a sudden halt. They soon realise there's something dangerous lurking in the forest and it's stalking the train and picking them off one by one. Okay, I mean, how would it get on the train though? If there's something in the forest and your train is stopped, then the train is closed, right? I don't know. I'll give it a watch sometime. Next we have our Stranger Things item, and it is one of these again. Now, I'm pretty sure I had one of these in, maybe not the last box that I got, but the one before that one. It was a Nightmare on Elm Street 3 one, and I gave it to my friend. I was kind of hoping that the Resin item would be the Stranger Things item. I thought maybe they'd do like a creepy little Elle figure or something, but it's one of these. So basically what you do is you fold these back and it becomes like a stand. Got little instructions here. It is cute, but unless you're like a real horror collector, I don't really know what you would do with this. This isn't necessarily something I would want to put up, but it is cool though. So that is that. And last but not least, we have our Resin item, which is obviously the 13 Ghosts item, because that's the only theme that is left. And this is what it looks like. So if I remember correctly, this is like the Princess Ghost or something. Let me look at the thing. Yeah, Angry Princess, that's what she's called. So this is a 4-inch bust of her. She's got like slashes on her and stuff. And her knife. So that's pretty cool. Not my favourite one by them, but it is a pretty creepy one. So yeah, that was everything that was in September's Fright Crate. I don't think this was a very full box personally. Definitely think we've had better, but I do love the t-shirt and the pin, so it's kind of a 50-50 one for me. But I will quickly go over what we got again. So there was the Angry Princess bust, the Stranger Things little like standee sign thing, the Howl Blu-ray, the Saw Kramer pin, and the It Losers t-shirt. So that was everything in September's Fright Crate. I'll put the info for them down below in case you want to go check them out. Next month, like I said, it's like Elvira, Psycho, Evil Dead 2, I think, and Halloween. I think they're the themes, so hopefully that one will arrive soon and then I can show you that one. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.